Hey guys, Xiaomi made a rather strange move earlier this year when it chose to launch the Mi Mix 2S. It's strange because the company had already launched the Mi Mix 2 only in September, a mere 5 to 6 months prior to the Mi Mix 2S. The Mi Mix 2S features upgraded hardware that includes Qualcomm's Snapdragon 845 processor and also a dual camera sensor. Now, some very odd speculations suggest that Xiaomi will once again upgrade the Mi Mix lineup this year. Right now, the big trend for at least Chinese OEMs is a pop-up front-facing camera. Manufacturers are in a rush to reduce bezels, and this urgency has led to a rather interesting little innovation. Pop-up cameras for both the front and rear lenses are becoming common, with both Oppo and Vivo utilizing the technology for the devices. This seems to have upped the heat for Xiaomi. The company's CEO isn't shy about talking about Steve Jobs' influence on him, and this influence has also resulted in a drive to consistently stay ahead of the competition. Naturally, this led to the Mi Mix 2S earlier this year and might now lead to the device's successor. Further adding interest is the fact that Xiaomi's had a patent for a pop-up camera setup since 2015. Now, here are some more renders of the Mi Mix 3 that allegedly depict the real deal and display the device with an impressive screen-to-bird ratio, hinting that Xiaomi might introduce a pop-up setup in the device. The pop-up setup will only be limited to the front camera, as the alleged renders show the Mi Mix 3 with a vertical dual rear camera setup, but we are only seeing the first batch of leaks for the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3. Take these images with copious amount of salt. If Xiaomi intends to launch a pop-up setup with the Mi Mix 3, then it should have either entered the final design stages with the Mi Mix 3 or will see a delayed launch when compared to last year. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section below, and stay tuned to subscribe. I'll keep you updated on the latest news, and yeah, see you soon.